Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. Today the letter D is the letter of the day spotlight. D is for dog. Dogs are known as man's best friend and come in many shapes and sizes. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaurs roamed the earth millions of years ago, and some were as tall as trees. D is for duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them dry even when they splash in water. D is for drum. Drums make music when you hit them and come in many sizes. Some even make booming sounds. D is for doll. Dolls are great for imaginative play and can become a child's best friend during story time. What is your favorite D word? Let's trace the letter D. Begin at the top left of the letter. Draw a straight line downwards to form the spine of the D. From the top of the straight line, start drawing a big, smooth curve. Imagine you're drawing a big half circle that goes around to meet the bottom of the straight line. Make sure the curve meets the bottom of the straight line, forming a complete D shape. Practice slowly. Parents, here are instructions to help your child write the letter D.